So you are assuring wale watu ambao wako na wasiwasi ambao wanakutegemea kuwatetea bado Mungu akiwezesha upate nafuu utaendelea kupigania.
Yeah, so I want to stop doing what they are doing. So where people go, people have not gotten a success.
Okay.
I will still continue doing the same. Yeah.
Will you be able to, labda, if you get opportunity to seek legal address of the challenges that you are passing through investigation, you are still pursuing investigation to get justice for yourself?
Yes, I will. I want to get well faster there because my children depend on me. I'm a single mother. So the most important thing is for God to heal me and for me to come out stronger than before. Because it just happened before. I've received threats before. So many just to ask God to heal me. Yes, people should not give up on me.
Okay.
Yeah.
You say that this is not the first time you are being attacked.
Yeah, I've received threats before 2015. I've received threats 2019. So basically, it's something that has been happening in my life too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which kind of threats have you been receiving? Death or which kind?
I've about 18 OB numbers that I've reported to the police, especially specifically whereby you're doing an investigation and there is cartels in government that are involved, or a police officer involved. That is the cases whereby I receive threats. Yeah. But I'm also expecting you to go extend this interview to the DCI and the Inspector General of Police and the NSIS, who's Director of NSIS, since the people I've worked with before, and they know what I've undergone in the Reno duty, including the DPP. You tell them I want to hear their speech.